Right now, while you're listening to this, waste is building up inside your brain. And if it isn't cleared away, your mind slowly stops working at its best. You probably think your brain rests when you sleep. It doesn't. When your body shuts down at night, your brain starts the most important shift of the entire day. It actually works harder than during the daytime, just on completely different tasks. Imagine a city during the day, millions of people, cars, noise, movement, and tons of trash. If no one cleaned it up, the city would collapse within days. So at night, when everyone sleeps, the cleaning crews come out. The streets are washed, garbage is removed, everything gets reset. The same thing happens inside your head. During the day, your brain runs non-stop. 86 billion neurons firing trillions of signals. You think, learn, feel, make decisions. But every signal leaves behind byproducts, biological waste, damaged proteins, toxic molecules. If this builds up, brain cells slow down. That's why after a sleepless night, you feel foggy, unfocused, almost disconnected. Now here's the interesting part. When you fall asleep, something incredible happens. The space between your brain cells expands by almost 60%. Yes, your brain literally creates more room inside itself. Why? To let fluid flow through. Cerebrospinal fluid moves between the cells like a river through a city, washing away waste. Scientists call this the glymphatic system. In simple terms, your brain cleans itself, every night, automatically. But that's only half the story. While the cleaning happens, your brain is also sorting your memories. Everything you experience today, thousands of moments, gets reviewed. Your brain decides what stays and what disappears. Important information gets strengthened. Useless noise gets deleted. That's why things feel clearer after a good night's sleep. Sleep isn't a break from learning. Sleep is part of learning. And here's the paradox. When you're lying still, doing nothing, your brain is doing its most important work. Cleaning, repairing connections, balancing chemicals, resetting itself. So tomorrow, you can think clearly, feel better, and function normally. Sleep isn't laziness, it's maintenance. Without it, performance drops fast. Even one night without sleep affects focus, reaction time, and decision-making. Your brain simply can't run properly without recovery time. So tonight, give your brain the time it needs, because while you sleep, it cleans, repairs, and prepares you for the next day. Sleep isn't a pause, it's a reset, and your life runs on it, every single night.